First of all, very good to see that we are having a seminar of this nature where we are talking about healthcare, because healthcare is something that is need of the hour for our country. When we look at India, we are a very unique population, and that's not just because of the numbers we have. As you know, we are a seventh of world's population. But when we look at our country from a disease burden perspective, we owe or we bear world's 20% of disease burden. That means out of every 5 sick patients or 5 6 persons in the world, one is in India. Besides, what we see in India today is a socio-economic transformation whereby we, being a developing country, are still seeing diseases which are characteristic of developing economy. So we still see vector-borne diseases, nutritional disorders, we see multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. But because of the rural to urban migration, what we also see are lot of diseases of the developed economies as well. So we have cancer that's growing, we have the dubious distinction of being the diabetic capital of the world very soon. Cardiovascular diseases are number one killers, and then there's a third angle to it. There are so many diseases globally which are emerging and we don't have answer. For example, the Ebola outbreak that just happened. So we have as a country this triple disease burden, and unless we have a healthcare agenda of our own that addresses our triple disease burden and also the healthcare needs of us as a population, we will not change the scenario. And in that sense, what one aspect or one message I would like to give is that we have to not only strengthen our existing systems, but we have to also look at innovation in a big way. And we need innovation in terms of developing new drugs, developing new diagnostic techniques, and making the healthcare more efficient for our patient. And that's where we have to see how our healthcare agenda promotes that innovative aspect, how we can do more clinical trials, how we can have clinical research program that represents our healthcare need as a society. So that's really my message to the students and other delegates, and hope this will help really emphasizing that need that we have as a population and taking that message along. Thank you.